Avoid road accidents. Drive carefully. Save your time, your money, and most importantly, your life. Every careless moment on the road can destroy what took years to build. Whether you are a driver, a passenger, a pedestrian, or a goods carrier, remember, please remember, the road belongs to everyone. Respect traffic rules. Never overspeed and stay alert. Drive safe. Reach safe for yourself, for your loved ones, and for your country.